a short review of a very powerful TED talk by Sal Khan. The title of the talk is Let's Use Video and Renovate Education. Sal Khan is the founder of Khan Academy, a free online learning platform that helps students of, all over the world. In this talk, tells us about how to started teaching his cousins and using short videos on YouTube. Soon, millions of students started watching his videos in watching his videos and a million of students started watching his videos to learn math and science. He believes that videos learning is powerful. Students can rewind, and watch again at their own pace, anything, anywhere. He also says that teachers can use these videos to spend more time helping students in the classroom instead of just giving lecture. This talk is a beautiful message that shows how technology care better education for all. So let's use video, let's use love, and let's make learning easy and fun of everyone. Thank you, Salhan, for inspiring the words, and thank you for all of watching. Keep smiling and keep learning. So, viewers, this is my TEDx review. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Pakistan Zindabad.